Hi guys, welcome back to Change Your Mindset. Welcome to day 16 of One More Day Affirmations. I am so excited that you are here. This is one of my favorite days, as I understand that this is a common concern for many people. People are constantly searching for information on how to manage their money better and how to have enough of it. This includes everything from basic budgeting to complex investment strategies. So as the title promises, how could you never worry about money again? I do this in 3 very simple steps. Step 1, reprogram your mindset. When it comes to money and finance, you do this by repeating these affirmations over and over again. I am worthy of financial stability. I am worthy of financial stability. I am worthy of financial stability. You are worthy of financial stability. I am getting wealthier and wealthier each day. I am getting wealthier and wealthier each day. I am getting wealthier and wealthier each day. You are getting wealthier and wealthier each day. I attract financial abundance into my life. I attract financial abundance into my life. I attract financial abundance into my life. You attract financial abundance into your life. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. You are so happy and grateful now that money comes to you in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am financially intelligent and I am actively applying what I am learning to grow my wealth. I am financially intelligent and I am actively applying what I am learning to grow my wealth. I am financially intelligent and I am actively applying what I am learning to grow my wealth. You are financially intelligent and you are actively applying what you are learning to grow your wealth. Alright, now let me continue with the rest of my steps on how to never worry about money again. Key to this is, once again, belief. Believe that they work and your mindset is being reprogrammed. Repeat step 1 again and again for as many days as you need until your mindset about money is actually changed. Once all of the affirmations are actually a part of your mindset, continue with step 2. I need to mention that when I am ready for step 2, I do not have any doubts or limiting beliefs when it comes to my money and my financial ability. Richness is the mindset. Poverty is also a mindset. Fix your mindset and you will fix your financial situation. Step 2 is identifying what you want and desire when it comes to money. I am very specific about them and I write them down in a little notebook and I add things that I want to it. This is an ongoing process for me. Be specific about your desire. Step 3 is imagining yourself getting what you want. Focus on the feelings once you get it. Focus on the events surrounding it, like a friend congratulating you, or your parents being so proud of you, or being inside your new home or your brand new car. Finally, this part here is important. While imagining all of this, make sure you are falling asleep, feeling drowsy and sleepy, and focusing on the feelings and the events. Do this every single night until your desire comes true. I promise, if you practice and apply all these 3 steps into your life every day, correctly and consistently, you will truly never ever worry about money again. Also, if you ever feel any doubts creeping in when it comes to money, then go back to this video and listen to it every morning. This is the reprogramming of your mindset. If you have any question at all, which I have a feeling that some of you might, as I am giving the shortened version of how to manifest, leave the comment below. I'll do my best to get to all of them. I'll see you again tomorrow for one more day of this journey. Thank you so much for watching, and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Please subscribe and come back tomorrow to get day 17 of One More Day Affirmations. If you already are following me, I look forward to sharing more. If not, I still wish you all the best. Remember, I believe in you.